Hey folks, Ben with The Real Seal here, back with another minute of shop talk for you. Homeowners have water issues. We recommend that they have a sump pump installed with a drain tile, and their response is, well, I've never had one before, why do I need one now? Your home is very much like the human body. Just as we grow old and age and things start to wear out, one day you're running around in the field, the next day you're sneezing and throwing out your back, your home is very much the same thing. Over time, things break down, they don't work as well, and then improvements need to be made. So a lot of people question on whether we need to bring the water into the house, and that is always the preferred method for a drain tile and a sump pump, because we need that pit to be able to gather water. That drain tile essentially works as a gutter system where all that water pouring at the bottom of your house now has a place to go, and it gathers in that pit, and then from there the pit can safely eject it far away from the house so you don't have to worry about that water coming back in. If you have any questions on drain tiles, sump pumps, or sump pits, call us here at The Real Seal, where not everything's better when wet.